Hey there, crypto explorers! Welcome back to the Coin Classroom, where we make cryptocurrency fun and easy to understand. In our last video, we talked about what crypto is and how it works, but now it's time to take action. Today, we're showing you how to buy your first Bitcoin or Ethereum step by step. So, if you're ready to make your first purchase and take the plunge into the world of crypto, stick with us. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, you need to choose the right crypto exchange. Think of exchanges like online stores where you can buy crypto, but not all stores are created equal. Some are more reliable and easy to use than others. So let's talk about the most popular ones. Coinbase, great for beginners, easy to use, and they have a ton of educational resources. Binance offers lower fees and a lot of different coins. Good for more experienced users. Kraken, known for security and being beginner friendly. When choosing an exchange, make sure to look at security. Make sure the exchange uses good security measures, like two-factor authentication. Fees. Check the fees for buying and selling. They can vary quite a bit. Payment methods. You want to make sure you can link your bank account, credit card, or other payment methods easily. Reputation. Go for well-known, established platforms that have been around for a while. Now, let's choose Coinbase for today's tutorial, since it's easy to use for beginners. Now that we've chosen Coinbase, let's go ahead and set up your account. Step 1. Head over to coinbase.com and click on Get Started. Step 2. Enter your personal info, like your name, email address, and password. Make sure you use a strong password. No 1234 passwords here, alright? Step 3. Coinbase will send you a confirmation email. Click the link to verify your account. Step 4. Now for the important part, setting up two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second code, usually sent to your phone, to log in. After you set up two-factor authentication, you'll need to link a payment method. You can link your bank account, use a credit card, or even use a PayPal account if that's easier for you. Now that your account is all set up, it's time for the fun part, buying your first crypto. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account and click on the Buy Sell button at the top of the screen. Step 2. Choose which crypto you want to buy. In this case, let's go with Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum, ETH. Step 3. Enter how much you want to buy. You can buy a fraction of a Bitcoin or Ethereum. For example, you can buy $50 worth of Bitcoin. If you don't want to buy a whole coin, you don't have to buy an entire Bitcoin to get started. Step 4. Select your payment method, bank account, credit card, etc. Step 5. Hit the buy button, review your order, and confirm. Boom! You've just bought your first crypto. How cool is that? Now that you own some crypto, you need to store it safely. You have two main options for storing your coins. Hot wallets. These are digital wallets that are connected to the internet, like the one on Coinbase. Cold wallets. These are physical devices, like a ledger or Trezor, that store your crypto offline for extra security. For most beginners, storing your crypto on the exchange, like Coinbase, is fine for now. But if you plan to hold your crypto for the long term, which is what we recommend for Bitcoin and Ethereum, you might want to move it to a cold wallet. Here's a quick recap. If you keep your crypto on Coinbase, make sure to use two-factor authentication and other security features. If you want to be extra safe, transfer your coins to a cold wallet. Speaking of safety, let's talk about keeping your crypto safe. This is super important, so pay attention. Private keys. Never share your private key with anyone. This is like the password to your crypto wallet. If someone gets your private key, they can steal your coins. Phishing scams. Be careful with links and emails. Scammers love to try and trick you into giving up your details. Only trust official websites and double check everything. Back up your wallet. Always back up your wallet's recovery phrase, usually a set of 12 words. If something happens to your wallet, you can recover your funds with this phrase. Now that you've bought your crypto and stored it safely, let's talk about what to do next. Hodling. Hodling is just a fun way of saying hold on for dear life, meaning you're going to hold on to your coins for the long run. Crypto can be volatile and prices can go up and down. But if you believe in the future of Bitcoin or Ethereum, then holding onto your coins could be a great strategy. You can check the market occasionally, but resist the urge to sell during a dip. Remember, it's a long-term play. Keep an eye on crypto news, but don't panic every time there's a price dip. That's part of the game. And that's it! You're now officially a crypto owner. You've learned how to choose an exchange, set up an account, buy your first coins, and keep them safe. You're on your way to becoming a crypto pro. Remember, the key to success in crypto is to start slow, keep learning, and always stay safe. We've got tons more beginner-friendly content coming your way, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next one.